Morning. Good morning, students. Today I discuss the topic electric properties of matter. Electric properties of matter can be divided into electron mobility, conductivity, energy band gaps, doping, dielectric materials, and capacitance. Electron mobility are charge, electric field, current density, Ohm's law, resistivity, and electron on holes. Conductivity can be classified insulator, semiconductors, and superconductors. Energy band gaps are Fermi energy level. Doping are intrinsic and extrinsic. First is substances can be classified on the basis of their electrical behavior into three groups. First is conductor, second is semiconductor, and third is insulator or dielectrics. Conductors, the substances through which electrical charges or charge carriers are free to move are called conductors. In metallic solids, these charge carriers are free electrons, while in fluids, these charge carriers are generally negative and positive ions. But in this case of mercury, a fluid metal at ordinary temperatures, the charge carriers are free electrons and conductors are the electric current can be established by the application of electric fields. Second is insulator or dielectric. The substances which do not permit the passage of electric charge are called insulator or dielectrics. Insulator like ebonite, quartz, glass, mica have so small conductivity that they behave as if they have perfect insulators. The ratio of electrical conductivity for existing conductors to best insulator is about 10 to the power 20. Semiconductors are those substances whose electrical conductivity lies between that of conductors and insulators. Among these substances, germanium and silicon are well known example. The electrical conductivity of semiconductor can be increased by adding a small amount of other elements. The conductivity of silicon and germanium is increased by adding traces of boron and arsenic. The electrical conductivity of semiconductors changes over a wide range depending upon physical conditions such as temperature, etc. The substances found in nature possesses their conductivity from 10 to the power 7 to 10 to the power minus 13 ohm meter inverse. Dielectric is a material which contains no free charge carrier. No current can flow through it. The conductivity of a dielectric is poor, and for an ideal dielectric of electrical conductivity is 0. The second topic is dielectric constant. Faraday found by experiment that the charge on the capacitor with dielectric is greater than Q is larger for the same potential difference V. It follows from the ratio C equal to Q upon V that the capacitance of a capacitor increases if dielectric is placed between the plates. If dielectric material fills completely the space between the plates, the ratio of capacitance C with the dielectric to that without C naught is called dielectric constant, which is property of dielectric material. C upon C naught equal to K, where K is called relative permittivity of the medium. Faraday obtained the relation C upon C naught equal to K by placing same charge to the capacitor and measured to the potential difference. If Vd the potential difference with dielectric and V naught without dielectric capacitor, then Vd equal to V naught upon K. The potential difference with dielectric decreases by the factor 1 upon K. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मॉलिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर, या उसको हम बोलते हैं पोलर और नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स। तो पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स किसे बोलते हैं कि व्हेन द टू सेंटर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी आर सेपरेटेड, द molecules may momentarily possesses a dipole moment equal to the product of charge and distance of separation. If the two center of gravity coincide between the molecules is called non-polar molecule having negligible dipole moment, and the matter composed of such molecules is called non-polar. Matter comprising different molecules, both non-polar and polar, should be regarded as polar matter. There are molecules for which the distribution of two kinds of charge are different, so that positive and negative charges are centered at points separated by a distance of molecular dimensions, forming an electric dipole. These molecules therefore possesses a net inherent dipole moment, are called polar molecules. जो नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स के एग्जाम्पल हैं वो क्या होते हैं? H2, N2, Cl2, CH4, CCl4, C6H6, C2H2 and C2H4. The rigid molecules which have symmetrical structure are non-polar and have always a negligible small dipole moment. Polar molecules, most molecules, the average dipole moment is finite. If symmetry is distributed, the molecule becomes polar. Hydrogen atom of methane molecule is replaced by chlorine atom. It loses symmetry and becomes polar. Examples of polar molecules are H2O, CHCl3, C6H5Cl, C6H5NO2 and C2H5OH. Expression for static dielectric constant. Consider two conducting plates separated by a distance d called a capacitor as shown in diagram. When the plates are charged, electric field exists between them. One flux line originates from each unit charge, then Q charge having Q line of force received by unit area is called dielectric displacement and is denoted by D. And D is Q upon A, and Q A area of this capacitor, Q equal to 4 pi D square. As a dielectric constant at a point is given by E equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into D square. Comparing the two equation, we get E equal to D upon epsilon naught or D equal to epsilon naught E. In a dielectric medium, D equal to epsilon naught epsilon R into E. In the absence of the dielectric medium in equation 2, then Q charge is 4 pi D square epsilon naught E naught, or Q equal to epsilon naught E naught into A. The capacitance in the absence of dielectric medium is C0 equal to Q upon V naught, where V naught is a potential difference between the plates given by V equal to E naught D. By the definition, E equal to minus gradient V or E equal to minus dV over dx. Then C naught equal to epsilon naught A upon D, as epsilon R equal to 1 for air of vacuum. When a dielectric medium is introduced between the plates, the capacitance is C equal to Q dash upon V or C equal to epsilon naught epsilon R EA upon V, where E equal to V upon D or V equal to ED. Then C equal to epsilon naught epsilon R A upon D. Dividing equation 5th to 4th, then C upon C naught equal to ER or ER equal to C material upon C vacuum. Dielectric polarization or electrical polarization The displacement of electric in the molecules of a dielectric under the action of an applied electric field leading the development of dipole moment is called dielectric polarization. Because of electrical polarization or dielectric polarization, positive charges are displaced in the direction of the field and negative charges shift in the opposite direction. These create an internal electric field that reduces the overall field within the dielectric itself.